Hello, in this example we're going to look at Stackelberg with firms that have different marginal cost structures. Firm 1 will be the Stackelberg leader. Firm 1 will set its output first, and then Firm 2 will respond to that output. When Firm 1 considers its output level, it'll consider how Firm 2 responds. So the basic Stackelberg setup. So we have the market with these two firms has an inverse market demand given by this, 21 minus the output of Firm 1 minus the output of Firm 2. Firm 1 again is a Stackelberg leader. Its output is represented by Q subscript 1. Its marginal cost is constant at $4. Firm 2's output is Q subscript 2. Marginal cost for Firm 2 constant at $8. Its reaction function is given by this expression. I solve this reaction function in a Carnot video. If you don't know how to solve for the reaction functions, see the link in the video description below. It'll show you exactly how I got this reaction function here for Firm 2. All right, so Firm 1. We'll start with Firm 1's total revenue, price times its output. We're going to make a substitution in for P. What is P? Well, 21 minus Q subscript 1 minus Q subscript 2, so I make that substitution. The next step is one more substitution. For this Q subscript 2 term, I am going to plug in Firm 2's reaction function. So this 13 divided by 2 minus 1/2 Q subscript 1 goes right in here for the Q subscript 2 term. The next step is to just simplify a little bit here. So I'm going to just multiply everything through by the output of Firm 1, Q subscript 1, multiply everything through by that, what we see here in the brackets. So doing that leaves us with this expression. Careful with the minus signs here. We got a minus minus, so you're going to have a positive right here. Okay. All right, the next step is to take the derivative of total revenue to get marginal revenue. So we'll take the derivative of that expression to get marginal revenue. Technically, it's technically not a partial derivative. We only got one choice variable here, Q subscript 1. So anyways, taking the derivative, we get 21 minus 2Q subscript 1 minus 13 divided by 2 plus Q1, Q subscript 1. The next step is to just simplify that a little bit more. So this marginal revenue here will simplify down to this expression here, 14.5 minus Q subscript 1. I'm going to set marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. Firm 1, the Stackelberg leader's marginal cost is $4. So setting MR equal to MC, solving for Q subscript 1, Firm 1 will produce 10.5 units of output. To find how much output Firm 2 will produce, plug this 10.5 into Firm 2's reaction function, which I have written down here. So plugging that 10.5 in for Q subscript 1, Firm 2 will produce 1.25 units of output. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful.